Hello everyone, good day to you all. My name is Yui. I'm doing a final exam of the Athena Certified Basic Network, ACBN. So today we will perform the radical exam number 2. First, let's have a look what we're gonna do for this exam. Uh, okay, let's move on. Okay, so we have a few things that gonna do. First, prepare a Windows 10 virtual machine. Perform the following task. Assign a network adapter to virtual machine and configure the IP address so that the host machine can ping the Windows 10's virtual machine. Next thing is create an additional user named hocsinh on the virtual machine with with the password 123456. Uh, Next is create a new folder named shared in C drive. Next is a share the shares folder so that the user hocsinh only has read permissions for the data inside the share folder. Access the share folder from the host machine by using the SMB protocol and verify the permissions. Uh, Configure the remote desktop feature on the Windows 10 virtual machine so that the only user Yelving is permitted to remote into Windows 10. Explain the steps taken during implementations. And the last one is for scans for the devices in the LAN using advanced IP scanner software. List the discovered IP addresses. All right. So now we know what we need to do. So let's move on. Okay, so I will minimize this. So I have repaired. So I have repaired this thing. Oh, okay, let's restart it. Maybe it's I forget to turn the screen off. So let's repair this thing. Mm, okay, restart it. Okay, so let's log in. So this is the test machine. This is Windows 11. So it's higher than Windows 10, but both is quite the same. So all the first thing we need to do is repair Windows 10's machine. So we have repaired Windows 11. So this is okay. The first thing is assign the network adapter and configure IP address so the host can ping. So in here, I will check the network adapter. So I choose the network adapter is a brick. So uh, we can ping each other. So let's see. Let me check for the IP address, the IP address for the real machine, the host machine. So IP config. Okay, so this thing is binding to the Wi-Fi. So let me see. Okay, so the wireless LAN adapter Wi-Fi is a 192.168 dot 10.2. Okay, so let me see. whether it's the same network or not. So I just type the same one. So you can see here, 192.168.10.3. Right. So I will check again. Check again. .2. Okay. So now we try to ping the 10.2. This is 2 is the real machine. Mm-hmm. So let's see whether the firewall is on or not. So I will temporarily turn off the firewall. Okay. The firewall for both. Firewall for both. So let's test again. Okay, as you can see here, now we can ping after we temporarily turn off the firewall. So which mean uh we need to temporarily turn off the firewall first. So now we try to ping 10.3 to continuous for a few package just like this. So as you can see here, now we can ping. Okay, so that is the first one we have finished with rest. Okay, and load it. Okay, so now I will stop this by rest Control C. Okay, so I minimize this. Okay, next thing I will create the account name is hocsinh with the password 123456 on the virtual machine. All right. Okay, so let's roll. So I will right click on the this PC and show more options and choose manage. Okay, at this thing, I will choose the local user and group. And I go to the user. Okay, user. So we have uh, a few user in here for the testing. So I will create a new one. Hocsinh. Hocsinh in English is the student. Okay. So the passwords 123456, 123456. Create. Uh, Close. Okay, so now we have student account or học sinh. Okay, so this thing is also okay. Mhm. Okay, so the next one is create a folder name share on in the C drive. Okay, C drive. This PC. Okay, so this PC. Uh, C drive. New folder share. Okay, in the C drive. Okay, so one more is okay. Next, share the share folder so that the student only have read permissions for the data inside the share folder. All right, let's go. Uh, okay, I will put a small file in here. Let's see. Let's do something. Let's take this icon. Okay. I can put in this first so that we can check whether we can delete or change something in that or not. All right, so I will right click on the share folder and choose this property and choose the sharing tab, and I choose advanced sharing. Share this folder, permissions, I will remove this, and I finding the account that I just create, check the name, okay, and I choose only read, okay, read only. I hit apply and okay, close. Now I have shared a folder with the icon inside, and only the student account have access with the read only rule. Okay. Uh, mm, okay. Now from my real machine, I will access the host machines by using SMB protocol and verify the permissions. So first, we need to check whether the the SSB is enabled or not on both machine. So right here, we go back to the control panel. We uh, go into the uninstall program and choose turn window feature on or off, and scroll down to check. So as you can see here in my real machines, SMB 1.0, share file sharing support, and SMB direct is already choose. So nothing need to change here. I also need to check on the virtual machine the same way. Uh, okay, as you can see here, both SMB is enabled, so nothing to change here. Okay, back to the real machine. Back to the real machine. So I choose Windows and hit run. Now I will access to the share folder. So the whole machine is a 192.168 10.10.3 as I remember. Yeah, correct. It's 3, okay. Then I click OK. So in here, username, we will use the student account and the password. Mhm. Must be changed before the first time. Okay. So we need to check the property on the virtual machine. Okay, and you can see here we need to uncheck this. User must change the password at the next logout. Okay, just uncheck this. Apply. Okay. All right. So let's try again. Uh-huh. 168 0 10 3. Let's try again. Ah, still there. Okay, so when I click OK again, after I uncheck the must change the password, I can access to the share folder. Okay, here I can to check whether the permissions is applied or not. So I will try to delete or cover or basically it's a copy. Here you can see when I let me do it again. Right click, copy, paste. Here you can see here because this account only have the read permissions. They don't have the right to delete, pass, or move this icon to anywhere. So just have a read permissions. Okay, let's try again. I will try to let's try to delete. Uh, oh, I read the share. So let's see. Okay, you need permissions to perform these actions. Right. So this topic is also okay. Right. Now let's create the user Yavin, or in English is a teacher, for to repair for the remote desktop features. Right. In here in the virtual machine, I will create new the new username, the same password 12345 uh 123456. User must uncheck this, create, close. Okay. All right. So first first to use the remote desktop, that we need to enable the remote desktop service. So basically by default, when you install the install the Windows 11, so it will all by default it will turn it off. So I will check whether I have turned it on or not. So you can see here, I already turned it on. So let me do it again for you. Okay, let's enable this. Confirm. PC name is Yui Demo. Now we need to select which user can be accessed through the remote. Uh, okay, let's type teachers. Yavi. Okay, check the name. Okay, and okay. So I have access. Mm-hmm. Okay. So which mean only this account can be remote into the virtual machine. Okay, let's try. Have a try. So let me see RDB. This is the real machine. So as you can see, I already remote quite frequently. So I will try 192.168.10.3. Connect. Yes. Oh, username, edit, more choice. I will try to choose another credential. As you can see here, because I first accessed by the student account here, so which mean the rule, the permissions, the is work. So now let's change to the correct one. Let's try, because this is the local, so we don't have the menu ahead. Okay, let's try. Another you is sign in. Do you want to sign in anyway? Yes. Okay, the remote desktop, hit OK for permissions. Just hit OK. All right. Okay, let me move it in here. So which means now we can remote. Now we can remote this virtual machine. So we need to wait. All right, just turn this off for the right privacy. Privacy. Okay, so we have remoted in. We can check the PC name, whether it's correct or not. So as you can see here, the device name is correct. Okay, so we have remoted in successfully. Hmm. Okay, so I also here. Okay, okay. So the last one. The last one is using the advanced IP scanner software to scan the network to discover all the device in this LAN. All right. So now I will turn it off this virtual machine first because okay. So I will leave this on and open the scanner. Okay. So for the setting performance, I choose the high accuracy scanning. All right. So as you can see here, I will I will delete the range that we not use. All right. So this is the scanning to see. Okay, as you can see here, there are two real machine. Two machine is this is the real machine that I using that I using. This is the virtual machine. This thing is maybe it's my phone. Yeah, maybe it's my phone. This is the gateway. This is the gateway. All right, so we have scanned and we found four devices in this LAN. Okay, so this objective and so okay, so we have go through all the objective that we need to report. So thank you so much for the for join with me for did the same. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.